Hi, thanks for watching Slim Diet YouTube channel. Please subscribe and press the bell notification by which you never miss any notification. Let's jump into the topic. Today we talk about loose weight and loose skin problem issue. If you haven't tried this yet, you're going to want to add this to your morning routine. Drinking 1 cup of this delicious hot beverage in the morning sets you up to burn more fat than 45 exhausting minutes on the treadmill. In fact, some folks are losing up to 23 pounds of fat in just 21 days by drinking it every morning. Imagine instantly boosting your metabolism and then burning more fat throughout the whole day, even when you're just sitting on your duff. Did you know there are several spices that have been shown in hundreds of scientific studies to do exactly that? One of the most well-known is cinnamon. Here's how it works. Asterisk controls insulin levels, which means less calories stored as fat. Asterisk speeds metabolism, so you burn more even at rest. Asterisk helps to burn belly fat. Cinnamon is said to impact abdominal fat more than fat found in other parts of your body. Asterisk suppresses appetite, so you stay full longer. All you need to do is add a bit of cinnamon to your daily coffee or smoothie to enjoy these powerful metabolism boosting effects. Pretty impressive, right? However, did you know that the most recent scientific research proves that yet another spice works even better and faster than cinnamon? In one case study, this ancient spice triggered a drop of 2-3 lbs in only 21 days. Not only that, hundreds of research papers prove that this easy-to-find spice is one of the single best things you can consume to boost your overall health and prevent disease. What if you could sip a delicious hot beverage every morning before 9 a.m. that sets you up to burn more fat than getting up at 5:30 a.m. to go jogging? Which would you choose? Smiley face. And the more often you drink it, the better it works. Because it actually transforms your body to burn fat all the time, even when you're sitting around doing nothing. In fact, some folks are getting rid of 1.09 pounds average per day by drinking it every morning. Plus, it's super easy to make right in your own kitchen. If you haven't tried this yet, you're going to want to add this to your morning routine. If you had the choice, would you rather get up at 5:30 a.m. and go jogging to burn belly fat? Or get up anytime before 9 a.m. and start your day with a mug of delicious fat-melting breakfast drink? If you're anything like me, you don't have to think about that very long. And just drinking 1 cup of this delicious hot beverage in the morning actually sets you up to burn more fat than the terrible morning jog. In fact, some folks are getting rid of 1.09 pounds average per day. Plus, it's super easy to make right in your own kitchen. If you haven't tried this yet, you're going to want to add this to your morning routine. To get shocking weight loss products, click link in description, and also for loose skin problem products, click in description.